Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cash out your CSGO skins in 2023. Whether you're looking to sell your skins for real-world currency or trade them for other digital assets. This guide will walk you through the process, so let's get started and make sure to stick by and let's dive right into it. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have or prefer. And of course, the first step is to select a reliable CSGO skins marketplace or trading platform. So look for platforms with a good reputation, secure transactions process, and a wide user base. So some popular choices include Skin Cashier, Bitskins, and Opskin. Of course, then you'll have to sign up for an account on your chosen marketplace. You can provide the necessary details and complete any verification procedure if required. Ensure you follow the platform guidelines to set up a secure account. So as an example, I'll choose like Skin Cashier for myself. So I'm just going to do the Skin Cashier here. And as you can see, this is it. So you'll have to go and type it in the URL section, click on the first link, and here you are. So if you want to sell your skins, you can simply go and click on sell your skins here, and this will open a new tab for you. Here, you'll have to simply go and log in into your Steam again. So of course, if you have an account, simply log in into your Steam, or if you have Steam on mobile, you can simply take a picture of this or scan this QR code. So for me, I'm just going to log in into my account, and I'm coming back. So once you're logged in into your account, they'll send you a code that you will have to go and enter it here from your email that you're using, creating your account here. And as you can see, sign in into Skin Cashier using your Steam account. Note that Skin Cashier is not affiliated with Steam or Valve. So by signing in into your Skin Cashier through Steam, your stream login credentials will not be shared. Unique. Of course, you can read all of this if you want. Of course, not necessary. So we'll have simply go and click on sign in, and this will sign us into our account or Steam account right away. Of course, now we'll have to go and create an account on Skin Cashier. So we'll have to go and enter like an email address here, then enter our trade URL here. So let's start by email address. As example, I'm just going to type mine here and .com, and it's your URL. As you can see, you can find your trade URL here. So click on here, and as you can see, you'll find your trade URL. As you can see, I found my trade URL here, so I'll have simply copy that, click on X, paste it here, and check this option because by creating an account, you agree with our terms and conditions and privacy policy. So simply click on Save Account Settings, and here we are. We are unable to locate any items, so make sure your inventory privacy is set to public, and it's possible that Steam is undergoing maintenance. So in this case, you should wait for a few minutes and update your inventory. So for me, or for you, if you have any items in your inventory, it will be shown here unless you don't have it or you don't have your privacy or inventory privacy is shown to everybody. So if it's public for you, as you can see, your inventory should be public, should not be just friends only. So it should be appearing here. So once it's public now, make sure to go here and click on update inventory. And of course, as you can see, slow down, you can try it in 2 minutes. So you will have to go and wait 2 minutes, then simply go and click on update inventory, and you will do so. Then once your account is set up and you found your inventory here, you will have to list your skins for sale. So once your account is set up, it's time to list your CSGO skins for sale. You can select the skins you wish to cash out and provide accurate information about their condition, where, and any special features. This will help attract potential buyers, as an example. Of course, if you don't want to put them on sale, you can sell them right away or cash instantly if you don't want to list them. You can simply select your things from here. And once you set them from here, you can simply go and check your balance. That will come and click on get your cash instantly instead of listing them. Of course, you can list them as I said. But once you list them, of course, while you are listing them, you make sure to determine a fair and competitive price for your skins. Research the current market value of similar items to get an idea of their worth. Consider factors such as demand, rarity, and wear condition when setting the price. And then, when a potential buyer shows interest in your skin, and makes an offer, carefully review the details of the transaction and ensure that the buyer has a good reputation and follow the platform instructions to finalize the sale. This may involve accepting a trade offer or transferring the skins to an escrow account. This will, not may. And of course, after the buyer receives the skin, you will receive payments for your skins. So the payments option vary depending on the platforms, but popular choices includes PayPal, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency also. So follow the platform instructions to complete the payments process securely. And of course, make sure or ensure the security and compliance. So be mindful of security and compliance while cashing out your CSGO skins. Of course, use trusted platforms and read the user's review and be cautious of potential scammers or scams. Familiarize yourself with the platform fees, transactions limits, and any withdrawal requirements. And of course, once the transaction is complete, you've received payment or you receive payments for your CS:GO scans, and ensure that you follow necessary post-sale steps. And this may include leaving feedback for the buyer or confirming the successful completion or completion of the transaction on the platform. Of course, if you don't know what to do and you didn't understand anything from here, you can simply watch a tutorial from here by clicking on it. And as you can see, it gets real money for your CSGO skins instantly. You can watch this video from here. Or as an example, we can go to the home screen again. Let's just go to the home screen. I guess maybe this is the home screen. So anyway, we scroll down here. And as you can see, we'll find the skins right here that is listed, that's being listed. As you can see, some of them are expensive, some of them are not. And of course, as an example, if you see like an expensive or a good skin that is cheap, you can go and buy it and go and sell it again with a higher price. If like the person who's selling the skin didn't put a fair price for it, or don't know even a good price for it, and he's putting it cheap, you can simply, as an example, go and buy it and go and sell it back with a fair price and a good price for you. And of course, as you can see, this website has an excellent rating, 5-star per 5-star on Trustpilot. So make sure it's trusted and don't worry about anything. Of course, you can even go and buy by your own self if you want to go and buy one of their skins that is shown here. You can simply go, as an example, go and look for whatever skin that you like, and you can go and buy it if you want to instead of selling. And of course, if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to cash out your CSGO skins in 2023. Remember to choose a trusted marketplace like this skin cashier, and of course, list your skins accurately, and set competitive prices, and finalize the sales securely and compile with platform's guidelines. Of course, if your skins is not being sold, you can sell them instantly from here, but the price will be lower than expected. So, of course, by following these steps, you can successfully convert your CSGO skins into real world currency or other digital assets. So, best of luck with your cash out players. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below in this video and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.